Check, check.
Royally screwed up.
Hey, what up, guys? I wanted to make this video because what did I do here? I really kind of screwed up. You can see my capsule, my K870 for the Neumann U87 AI. It's not even that dirty, but I thought I would try to clean it. I did a little research before doing this. I should have done more. I saw a guy cleaning a 414 with a paintbrush with 3 different solutions. It was very detailed, great video. I should have done as he did. I thought if I rubbed ever so slightly that I'd be able to get just this cleaned, no problem. I'm seeing stuff, you know, a little bit of dirt coming off on the Q-tip there. And, you know, in hindsight, that's probably the first layer of gold. Who knows how much gold I wiped away there. These capsules go anywhere from like $700 to $900. So yeah, to get the original one, you're really going to want to go to Sennheiser and get the K870 if you have the newer version of the Neumann U87. Here, I'm looking at this thing and I'm like, okay, it seems okay here. As I start to rub again, you'll see it starts to disappear. And at first, I didn't know what's going on here. I thought it was the light. I was like, wait a minute, oh no. And then I keep rubbing it, and it kills me to watch this. I'm such an idiot. I'm ruining my, $3,000 microphone. Anyway, I thought I'd make this video because I don't want someone else to make this mistake. I wish there were more videos like this out there. Since going on this exploration, I have seen a bunch of pictures and I've found a few things online and forums and whatnot of this happening with people. There are a couple of things you can do if this does happen to you in your microphone, or if your capsule's worn out and you have a capsule that has like a figure 8 pattern or an omni pattern on it. You can actually flip it around, which is a mirror image of the front side, and rewiring it and letting the other capsule be the front. Fortunately, I didn't have to do that here. I put the mic back together, and much to my surprise, it worked as good, if not better, than it did before. I've been using the mic to do this overdub here, and it sounds pretty good. If you're gonna attempt this, definitely do some research. I'll put a couple of links below that will guide you in the right direction for doing this this cleaning to a capsule properly. All right, yeah, I hope you got something out of this, and thanks for watching. Know your skill level, know your limitations. But also, don't be afraid to try shit.